Hi, this is Patrick from Resos support team. In this video, we are covering how you can limit incoming bookings on your opening hours. In order to do that, we need to go to settings and add-ons, opening hours, and we need to choose one of the opening hours that we would like to limit. Let's choose lunch for Monday. Hit the edit button, and we go to the limits tab. First and foremost, we can choose whether we want to limit the whole opening hour or every interval within that opening hour. In order to know what is the rate that we are limiting, we need to be aware what our interval is. In this case, my interval is every 30 minutes. As a reminder, the interval is the time between available bookings on my booking flow. So in this case, mine is every 30 minutes. I'm offering a booking slot every 30 minutes. Once we have chosen whether we want to limit the whole opening hour or the intervals within, then we need to choose whether we want to limit the maximum bookings or the maximum guests. These two options are available in both cases and they are not mutually exclusive. If I want to, for example, limit my whole opening hour and I want to accept only 10 bookings throughout this whole opening hour, I can also say I want to accept maximum 30 guests. Now, whichever rule is met first, either I'm getting 10 bookings but not 30 guests, or getting 30 guests but not 10 bookings, one of the rules is enough for the whole opening hour to be closed. The same applies for the per interval. If I am accepting 5 bookings per interval and 20 guests per interval, regardless of which rule is met, the interval is going to be closed. There is another option, a button that you can see on the top right corner, and you can decide whether you want to enforce manual bookings to be counted into the limits as well. Let's say I have 2 bookings that have been created by my guests for this interval, and I create 3 more manual bookings because my guests reach out to me via phone and I've created the bookings for them. In this case, if I left it as is, there could be no further reservations that could come in online because the manual reservations are also counted towards the limit that I've set. If I want the system to only count the online reservation towards the limit, I need to push this toggle, and now my manual bookings are not counted towards the limit. So let's take a look from the customer's perspective on this. I'm going to bring the maximum guests per interval down to a small number, so it's easy for us to see the difference. And of course, if there's a larger party in this case, they are not able to make a reservation from 4 persons. Hit save. And we can see right away that there's an icon showing us that a maximum booking and or guest limit has been set for this opening hour. Let's go to the dashboard, show booking page. And what we're looking for is our Monday lunch opening hour. So first, let's go with 3 persons on a booking and select Monday the 31st. You can see that the lunch is available for me to create a reservation. If I go back and select 4 people or above, go back to 31st, then the lunch is no longer here because we are above the limit that I've created. Of course, this limit is not only enforced by having a larger group on a single booking, but if I create 2 separate bookings as well, let's say I create a 2-person booking that is actually going to go through for lunch. So we have 1 reservation now for 2 persons. And let's see, the system needs to close if I choose 2 or above, because we have created a 3-person limit per interval. So let's go 2 persons, 31st of August, and the lunch reservation is no longer there. Therefore, the limit was enforced.